Change is an inevitable part of life, and we all go through changes, both in our personal lives and work. But have you ever wondered why some changes are successful while others fail? That's where change management comes in. And one of the most popular change management models is the so-called ADKAR model. In this video, we're going to explore what the ADKAR model is and how it can be used to effectively manage change. So let's dive in. Have you ever been part of a project or initiative that failed to bring about the desired change? Perhaps you're currently experiencing a change at work that's causing confusion and resistance. With the ADKAR model, you can identify the reasons why change isn't working and take steps to address them. Let's begin by breaking down what the ADKAR stands for. A is for awareness of the need for change. D is for desire to participate and support the change. K is for knowledge of how to change. A is the ability to implement the change. R is the reinforcement to sustain change. Awareness. The first step is to make people aware of the need for change. This involves communication and clearly communicating the reasons for the change. What the change will achieve as well needs to be communicated, and how it will impact the organization or the individuals involved. For example, if a company is introducing a new software system, it is important to explain why the change is necessary, what the benefits will be, and how it will improve the organization's operations. Desire. Once people are aware of the need for change, the next step is to create a desire to participate and support that change. This requires addressing people's concerns, fears, and doubts about the change and showing how it will benefit them individually. For example, if a company is introducing a new performance management system, it is important to show employees how the new system will help them set and achieve their goals and how it will contribute to their professional development. Knowledge. Once people have the desire to participate and support change, the next step is to provide them with the knowledge they need in order to change. This may include training, coaching, and providing access to resources and support. For example, if a company is introducing a new marketing strategy, it is important to provide training to employees on the new tactics and the tools. Ability. Once people have the knowledge, they need the next step, and this is to enable them to implement change. This involves providing the necessary resources, tools, and support to make the change happen. For example, if a company is introducing a new sales process, it is important to provide employees with the necessary tools such as software and support to make the transition and make it as smooth as possible. Reinforcement. Finally, the last step is to reinforce the change in order to make it sustainable over time. This requires monitoring and measuring the change to ensure it's working and it is delivering what was intended. For example, if a company is introducing a new quality control system, it is important to monitor the system's performance, gather feedback from employees, and make adjustments to the system as needed. The ADKAR model provides simple yet effective way to manage change by focusing on the key factors that lead to successful change. By following the ADKAR model, you can ensure that people are aware of the need for change, have the desire to participate and support this change, as well as have the knowledge and the ability to make the change happen. And of course, are reinforced to sustain the change over time. By using the ADKAR model, you can achieve your change management goals and ensure that your organization is prepared for the future. I hope you found this video valuable. If you did, please like and subscribe. We can catch up in the next video. Until then, peace out.